the presentations is what differentiates each of the disciplines, whether it's skeet, wobble trap, five stand, or sporting clays. The way that the clay pigeon flies is what separates them. For example, skeet, no matter where you go in the country, skeet's always the same. You come out from a set height, land in a set place, and you shoot from the exact same distances and angles no matter where you go. It's the same in Alaska, Texas, here. Wobble trap, you got a machine that goes up and down, left and right, just goes away from it. It's the closest thing to quail hunting that we can do with the clay. Now, sporting clays and five stand, that's where it gets creative and I can do whatever I want.